30716.
Dun dun dun.
I've lost my scissors. You have.
You bet you're a Wookiee. Man, I wish I had scissors. Somebody wouldn't have thrown them off the table. I just got a blank look like he's going to smack me after. Somebody save me.
I always just wonder with you.
Yeah. I'm going to start with this pile.
Week after week after week. I'm going to start with these 3 out of the bottom and these 3 off the top.
I think you took one too many.
Did I? I got 3 and 3.
I have 10. Do you have 10?
I have 10, yeah.
Okay,
There,
perfect.
5 and 5.
That's an empty box.
Alright, let's see. I'll go with this one first. And I have Varlamov, Gilmore, Stahl. Oh, we got a wire photo. Shea Theodore. Anaheim Ducks. Slide these down, put them right there in the middle. Everybody can see it. Luongo, Ekman Larson, Hayes, and Brock Nelson.
Turice, Komarov, Draisaitl, Ben, Rookie Phenom, Oscar Lindbergh, Rangers, Vanek, Shattenkirk, and Kane.
We got a Martin Brodeur, Tyler Toffoli, Antti Niemi, Cam Fowler, Rookie Phenom, Carolina, Noah Hannafin, John Gibson, Louis Erickson, and Dion Phaneuf.
Reinhardt, Brindamore, Salming, Rookie Phenom, Brett Pesh for Hurricanes, PC Pesci, what I bloody know. I'm guessing here. Sedin, Oshie, Gaborik, Green,
Shea Weber, Scott Hartnell, Mark Scheifele, Rookie Phenom, Jonas Corpusalo, Columbus, Keith McKinnon, Boychuk, and Chris Letang. That's the other one.
the Grit one, Clefbaum, Coyle, Curry, Wire Photo, Guy Lafleur, Montreal, Hamonic, Duclair, Peru,
Brendan Gallagher, Tyler Johnson, Ryan Strome, Color Photo, Ottawa, Bobby Ryan, Mika Zibanejad, Steen, Sean Monahan, and Henrik Zetterberg.
Corey, Perry, Oligno, Hall, Jaeger, Rookie Phenom, Mike Gondon, Montreal, Roman Yossi, Gadry, Brody,
Kessler, Pacioretty, Yari Hoodler, Wire Photo, Yari Curry, number 257 for Edmonton, Ribeiro, Braden Shen, James Neal, and Patrick Marleau base cards.
Adam Henrique, Hoffman, Landeskog, Wire Photo, Taylor Hall for Edmonton, Torrey Krug, Jordan Stahl, Jordan? Yes, Jordan. Verbata, Skeeter,
Bobby Orr, Al McInnes, Nikita Kucherov, Color Photo, Montreal, Mike McCarron, Mark Giordano, Brent Burns, Justin Williams, and Kyle Opozo.
Braden Holtby, Evgeny Malkin, John Carlson, Claude Giroux, Lanny McDonald, Calgary, Bodker, Pietrangelo, Palmieri,
Matt Duchene, Neil Yakupov, Philip Forsberg, Wire Photo, Rookie for Chicago, Artemi Panarin. Victor Rask, Teuvo Teravainen for Chicago, Ryan Getzlav, and Brian Little.
Subban, Wheeler, Leach, Sergei Bobrovsky, Rookie Phenom, Winnipeg, Connor Hellebuck, Schwartz, Reimer, Bufuglin,
Pekka Rinne, Henrik Lundqvist, Corey Schneider, Jerome Ginla, Wire Photo rookie Jared McCann for Vancouver. The Canucks, Jordan Eberle, David Pastrnak, and Boone Jenner.
Ryan Johansson, Sidney Crosby, followed up with Joe Sakic. Ryan O'Reilly, we have a rookie phenom, Charles Hudon, Montreal. Klingberg, Ennis, Crawford.
Patrick Sharp, Nugent Hopkins, Nicholas Lidstrom. Ooh, Montreal, another one. Daniel Carr. Rookie phenom. Thomas Plekanec, Tyler Bozak, Drew Doughty, and Tuukka Rask.
Zuccarello, Stone, Ryan, my rookie phenom, Dylan Larkin is better than yours. If we're gonna compare. Jokinen, Hamilton, Niederreiter, Nyquist,
Tavares. Carey Price base. Ooh, look at that. Carey Price, Profiles Materials, Montreal. Carey Lettinen, Brent Seabrook, and Jack Johnson.
Matt Molson, Alex Galchenyuk, Glenn Hall, Jake Allen. That means you got the jersey card. I get the autograph. Claude Giroux.
Nice.
That's Philadelphia, people. Congratulations, Philly. Oh, in Montreal, whatever. Castle, Bergeron, Hartle. Later.